Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make your Facebook account completely private using your iPhone or Android device step by step. So let's get right into it. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the menu icon, that's the three lines in the top right on iPhone or top right of Android. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. From here, scroll down to Audience and Visibility. You'll see several options here, and we are going to adjust each one to lock down your profile. Start with Profile and Tagging. Make sure only me or friends can see posts through you're tagged in, who can post on your timeline and who can see those posts. Next, go back and tap on Followers and Public Content. Set everything to friends or only me, especially the comment and notification settings. Now go to how people find and contact you. Here set everything like who can send you friend requests, see your friends list, or look you up by phone or email to friends or only me. After that, go back to the main settings and tap on Privacy Checkup. This tool will walk you through all the privacy settings, including who can see your posts, your profile info, and app permissions. It's super helpful. And there you go. Your Facebook account is now as private as it can be, whether you are on iPhone or Android. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.